Phone LCD Parts proudly announcing new repair technology. Hello, today we will show you how to configure the screen on iPhones. First, connect the screen to your phone and make sure the phone is plugged in. Then simultaneously press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons while connecting the charging cable to the device. On the next screen, connect to a Wi-Fi network. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on the Finish Repair section. If you get an error at this stage, restart the phone and then repeat the process until it is successful. Once successful, click Continue in the Finish Repair section. Once the configuration is finished, you can restart your phone. It's that simple. You can check True Tone from the brightness settings in the Control Center. Then you can check the status of the screen in the Parts and Service History section. Thank you for watching, stay tuned and follow us at PhoneLCDParts.com.